How to pay on Shein using Venmo. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can pay on Shein using Venmo, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to pay on the Shein app using your Venmo account, first of all open the Shein application, make sure that you're signed in, add the products that you want to buy to your cart, right? Then once you add the products that you buy to your cart, when you're on the payment page, over here you can see it says pay now, so you can tap on pay now or you can tap on edit payment. Because I selected Cash App before, so you're seeing this option here. So I'll just cancel this out, then I'll select edit payment over here. So once I just go ahead and select edit payment, I'll be able to select Venmo, and once I select Venmo, I'll be able to go ahead and then simply pay using Venmo on Shein. This way you should be able to go ahead and then pay using Venmo on Shein. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.